Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Open Word or Google Docs and create a blank file. Once done, set a readable font and size, adjust margins to 1 inch, and pick line spacing for clarity. Make sure autosave or version history is enabled so you won't lose work. Also turn on spell check and grammar suggestions to catch errors as you type. These prep steps are quick, but they keep you focused. Now type your first sentence confidently and let structure guide the rest. You now build the body. Start by outlining main points with headings and subheadings so your reader follows the flow. Once headings are placed, use built-in styles to keep formatting consistent. Apply bold or italics for emphasis and numbered or bulleted lists for sequences. If the document is long, switch to outline or navigation view to rearrange sections quickly. Also insert page breaks rather than extra returns so layout stays stable. These choices save. Finish by reviewing. Use spell and grammar checks, then read sections allowed to catch rhythm and clarity. Once satisfied, export a PDF for sharing so layout remains fixed. Preview page breaks and headers. If something looks off, fonts shifted or spacing wrong, clear direct formatting from the affected text and reapply the correct style. That usually restores consistency. If autosave failed, check the app's recovery or version history. This single troubleshooting step solves most formatting errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.